We have a daily routine at home. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. My husband usually wakes up at 6:30 a.m. The kids wake up shortly after him. Together, we cook breakfast for the entire family. Afterward, I take a shower and I get dressed. My husband takes the bus to work. I drive the children to school. Then I go to work at the library. After work is over, I run errands. For example, I go to the grocery store to buy food. Sometimes I go to the bank to pay bill. In the afternoon, I pick up our children from school. We go home and they do their homework. I start dinner and I all eat a night meal together. After dinner, we play a board game or watch television.